7 must-know features in DemoCreator that will save you hours of work. In this video, we will look at 7 must-know features in DemoCreator if you want to save hours of work when making a video. Schedule recording. This is great for capturing live streams, online meetings, your favorite sporting events, or any events that occur at a specific time. You can set a date and time for a recording to start and end or duration of that event. You can also tell DemoCreator what to do at the end of that recording, whether you want to put it in the editor or leave it as it is. If you don't have a green screen or forgot to record in front of one, you can use the AI portrait feature to save you instead of redoing the entire recording. No doubt having a green screen is more flexible in some situations. This feature will enable you to proceed with making your video rather than scrambling to get a green screen or replanning your entire video. This also frees you up to record in other settings like inside your car or anywhere at all. You just need a quiet location. What if you are suddenly inspired to record a video but you don't have a quiet place to do so? Maybe renovations are going on next door, or you have a noisy office that you can only record at a certain time. You can make use of the text-to-speech feature to create that video. This text-to-speech feature is very easy to use. Type in what you want to say, select the voice that you want from the options, and let DemoCreator do the rest.
What if you are suddenly inspired to record a video but don't have a quiet place to do so?
If you find yourself saying the wrong things repeatedly or couldn't remember certain words or phrases, make use of the teleprompter feature in DemoCreator. A teleprompter can help reduce unnecessary text by trying to wing it. Unless you are a trained speaker, it usually ends up as unnecessary text and wasted time to edit that video. Now, if you don't like to write down the entire script, you can use it for selected sections. Then start and stop the teleprompter only at times when you are tongue-tied or have hard to remember terminology. It also comes with an AI assistant to help you improve on your script so that you don't have to waste any time at all. Do you know that DemoCreator has a Chrome extension that you can download to record and save your recording to Google Drive? No doubt the desktop app is more flexible, but if you are inspired but don't have your computer with you, it will definitely help you get your video started rather than wait for your computer. One of the features that I like most is the AI thumbnail maker. You no longer have to start from a blank page when making thumbnails. I even have situations when I just select a frame from my video, apply the template, change a few words in the thumbnail maker, and I am done. It has never been easier and faster. Smart Highlight and Smart Magnify. Highlight small and important details like text without elaborate video editing skills. To create a highlight effect in some software, it can take multiple steps. With DemoCreator, it just takes a matter of dragging and dropping the effect to the section you want and adjusting the size of the window. What are some of the features that you like in DemoCreator? Let us know in the comment below. If you haven't tried DemoCreator, check out the links in the description below. You can download and try it. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and check out what's on the screen for other video tips to help you make videos faster.